that's a very lovely name. Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, Aurora. Certainly a prettier name than Hiccup when he's had it, but that's okay. You know, us Vikings believe it's important to have scary names to try to, ward off gnomes and trolls and, well, dragons. But, yeah, I guess there's not much need for that anymore. Well, have you ever met any dragons? No. Okay. Well, you're not afraid of them, are you?
No.
Okay, good. That is the first step. So, everyone in Burke used to be afraid of dragons, but I think we have our very best to change that. Yeah, and I know that it's great today to get to welcome you guys to the village and show you just how amazing the dragons really are. And maybe none of them are as amazing as you, but I know. Oh, just walking quick, right? So, alright, judging by that big smile on his face, I think you know. Just like that. And yes, feel free to give him a few scratches and pets. I know you appreciate it. Okay, but it is true. You are, I think you're maybe letting all of this attention go to your head just a tiny bit. Okay, no, you were just the most humble dragon in the entirety of the archipelago. Alright. Yeah, no, we are still working on the whole humility thing, but I think we're getting it. That's it.